In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Sony WF-C510. This also works with the C700N earbuds. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to charge them, unfortunately, they don't come with a cable or a charger in the box. You have to provide your own charger and cable. I'll put links in the description if you don't have any of these, so you can purchase them. Overall, the concept is put both earbuds in the case, close the case, connect your USB Type-C cable in the USB Type-C port in the back of the case, like that. And now depending, this cable may be USB Type-C on the other hand, or maybe it's a USB Type-A. Depending on which one of these you have, you'll need a charger like this one, could be smaller as well, where you connect the cable and then the other end, well, let me connect it to a wall outlet. And by the way, you don't necessarily need a charger. You can also connect the other end of this cable in a computer or other devices that will help you charge them, like a PS5, for example. It will be able to charge them. Also important to note, these earbuds are not compatible with fast charging. So even if you have a fast charger like this one, it's a 30 watts, it will not go faster compared that if you have a 5 watts charger. So let me just connect it. So once you have connected the case with the earbuds to the charger that is also connected to a power source, you're gonna get an orange light in the front. This means that they are charging. Once it's finished, when it's done charging, this light will turn off. It will not turn green. Don't expect a green light over here. It will simply turn off, signifying that you can unplug them from the charger and start using them because the battery is full. The time of charging of these earbuds, let's say one of them is completely dead, it's at 0%. If you want to bring from 0 to 100%, it will take around an hour and a half to charge. This case is not capable of wireless charging, so there is no way of simply putting it like this on a charging pad and charging it like more expensive earbuds. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you need a charger, cable, or other accessories.